job? Seriously? Visit Job News Live videos from YouTube. Subscribe and share.
Notification number 491. India, Haryana, Maneshwar, Industry IT job title NIAM Engineer Assistant Manager. Total vacancies 2. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 3 to 6 years. Required skills Linux administration full time 3.6 lakhs per annum. Number 492. India, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Industry IT. Job title Assistant Manager, Deputy Manager. Total vacancies 1. Education BTech BE in Mechanical. Experience 8 to 10 years. Required skills Design NVH Product JC. Full time. Number 493. India, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Industry IT. Job title Assistant Manager, TMS and ATMS. Total vacancies 1. Education BE BTech. Experience 7 to 12 years. Required skills Transport Management System ATMS. Full time 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. Notification number 494. India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry IT. Job title Supervising Associate Assistant or Director. Total vacancies 15. Education degree in Business Administration Management. Experience 7 to 12 years. Required skills Agile Project Management. Full time. Notification number 495. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title Pre-Sales Consultant. Total vacancies 10. Education BTech BE. Any specialization. Any graduate. Experience 5 to 10 years. Required skills Communication skills. Product demonstration. Full time. Job notification number 496. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title Java Developer. Total vacancies 20. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 2 to 7 years. Required skills Java, Spring, Boot Spring. Notification number 497 by 2024. India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry IT. Job title Open Text Developer. Total vacancies 10. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 2 to 6 years. Required skills Stream Server, Open Text, Extreme, HP Extreme. Full time. Notification number 498 by 2024. India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry IT. Job title Infrastructure Project Manager. Total vacancies 20. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 12 to 15 years. Required skills Hyper 5 Azure. Employment time full time 15.5 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Notification number 499 by 2024. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title Linux Administrator. Total vacancies 20. Education BTech BE in any specialization 5 to 10 years. Required skills Linux Administration, Red Hat. Full time. Job notification number 500 by 2024. India, Telangana, Hyderabad. Industry IT. Job title Network Security, Palo Alto. Total vacancies 6. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 3 to 8 years. Required skills Network Security, Palo Alto Firewall, Load Balancing. Full time 8.5 lakhs to 17 lakhs per annum. Full time. Notification number 501 by 2024. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title PLM Team Center Developer. Education BSc BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 5 to 7 years. Required skills Configuration Management, Project Management. Full time permanent. Job notification number 502. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title Infrastructure Service Analyst. Education BTech BE in any specialization. Experience 2 to 5 years. Required skills Infrastructure Services. Snowflake. Full time. Job notification number 503 2024. India, Karnataka, Bangalore. Industry IT. Job title AWS Administrator. Total vacancies 50. Education BCA, BTech, BE, BSc in any specialization. Experience 3 to 8 years. Required skills Terraform, AWS, DevOps, AWS certified. Full time. Notification number 504 2024. India, Maharashtra, Pune, Industry, IT, job title Cloud Architect, total vacancies 20, education BCA, BTech, BE, BSc in any specialization, experience 9 to 14 years, required skills Terraform, AWS certified Azure architect, full time 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. Notification number 505, India, Maharashtra, Pune, Industry, IT, job title Azure Administrator, total vacancies 50, 50. Education BCom, BCA, BTech, BE, BSc, experience 3 to 8 years, required skills Azure Pass, Terraform, Azure certified, full time permanent. Notification number 506, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry, IT, job title Azure Administrator, education BCom, BCA, BTech, BE, BSc, experience 2 to 5 years, required skills advanced analytics, Kubernetes, cloud service, full time 3.82 lakhs to 9.55 lakhs per annum. Notification number 507, India, West Bengal, Kolkata, Industry, IT, job title SAP Data Migration Technical Consultant, education BTech, BE in any specialization, experience 3 to 5 years, required skills data services, Agile methodologies, full time. Notification number 508, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry, IT, job title Mendix Consultant, education MSc, MCA, MTech, BTech, Bachelor of the Engineering, experience 7 to 9 years, required skills data services, Agile methodologies, full time. Notification number 509, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry, IT, job title Cloud Architect, education BCA, Master of Technology, experience 9 to 14 years, required skills Amazon Web Services, architecture, DevOps, full time. Job notification number 510, India, Maharashtra, Pune, Industry, IT, job title Data Science Engineer, total vacancies 10, 10. Education any graduate, experience 6 to 11 years, required skills Data Science, Artificial Intelligence, AI, full time. Job notification number 511/2024, India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Industry, IT, job title GraphDB, Graph Database, total vacancies 5, education any graduate, experience 5 to 10 years, required skills PacePack, Arango DB, SQL, full time permanent. Job notification number 512, India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Industry, IT, job title Spark Scale Data, total vacancies 10, 10. Education any graduate, experience 6 to 11 years, required skills Spark Core, HIV, SCALA, full time. Job notification number 513, India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Industry, IT, job title DevOps Engineer, total vacancies 10. Education any graduate, experience 6 to 10 years, required skills Jenkins, Docker, GitLab, full time, 5.5 to 15.5 lakhs per annum. Job notification number 514, India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Industry, IT, job title Splunk Administrator, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 5 to 8 years, required skills Splunk Admin, DevOps, full time, permanent. Job notification number 515, India, Uttar Pradesh, Noida, Industry, IT, job title Senior Customer Support Associate, total vacancies 20, 20. Education any graduate, experience 1 to 6 years, required skills grievance handling, US process, full time. Notification number 516, India, Karnataka, Bangalore, Industry, IT, job title Senior Engineer, AMDocs Clarify, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 3 to 8 years, required skills Java, Telecom, Clarify, full time 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Notification number 517, India, Maharashtra, Pune, Industry, IT, job title Java BPM Lead, total vacancies 2, education any graduate, experience 6 to 11 years, required skills Java, JBPM, Spring Boot, full time. Job notification 518, India, Maharashtra, Pune, Industry, IT, job title Senior Engineer, AMCODES, Clarify, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 3 to 8 years, required skills Java, Telecom, Clarify, full time 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Notification number 519 by 2024 India, Maharashtra, Pune, Industry IT, job title Java backend, total vacancies 25, education any graduate, experience 5 to 10 years, required skills RabbitMQ MVC framework with JSON, full time. Notification number 520 India, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Industry IT, job title Java lead, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 8 to 12 years, required skills Java multi-threading design patterns, full time permanent. Job notification number 521 India, Karnataka, Bangalore City, Industry IT, job title Product Master Data US Shift, total vacancies 1, education any graduate, experience 2 to 7 years, required skills product costing, pricing, product pricing, full time.